I am using Great Stuff window and door. Hey,
What's
AJ.
up, Renee?
Come on in.
All
I'm
right.
glad to have you.
Looks amazing.
Yeah, it's coming along great.
Well done.
What are you working on today?
We have some small openings around the pipes below the sink. I'll use the gaps and cracks. It's good for up to 1 inch, just to seal that from the elements.
What's that other thing in your hand?
This is the reusable Smart Dispenser. It's almost like an ink pen. Can I show you?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Okay, let's get started.
Whoa, that's a tight squeeze.
Tiny house, tiny space.
Oh, that's kind of cool. That went really quickly.
It's easy.
Is it really that easy?
Yes.
All right.
I can be precise with this tip. This will expand a bit beyond the pipe, but once it's dry, I'll cut it away. That's it.
How'd it feel?
Felt good. I'm on to the other sink in the tiny house.
What? What kind of tiny house is this?
A 2-sink tiny house.
Hey, wait a minute. There's already foam in there. Are you gonna spray more?
No, Renee took care of this one. I'm gonna take the fine-tooth saw, just gently go behind the foam and all the way around it. There it is.
Let's see.
All the bits can be cleaned up with sandpaper, and then this will be repainted as the final finish. It's time to find some more gaps and cracks. Off to the next.